Everybody loves a story, so let's tell some stories about equations. To do this, we have to be able to translate math sentences into equations. So that begins with being able to underline the key words in the sentence. So twice is a key word, less means subtract, and is always means equals. A number means x, 4 means 4, and 0 means 0. In other words, it writes just like it reads. And so we solve. We add 4 to both sides to make a 0. We divide 2 by both sides to make a 1. And x equals 2. So why don't we solve this one together? The word less than needs special attention because it goes out of order. The word quotient means divide, and is still remains as equals. Everything on the left side of is on the left side of the equation, and everything on the right side of the is on the right side of the equation. A number x and 2 means divide x by 2. And because of the word than, the less than sign or the minus sign goes after that. And here is where we subtract 17, not in front of the x divided by 2. It all equals 21, and now we solve. We add 17 to both sides to make a 0. X divided by 2 equals 38, so we will multiply by 2 on both sides to make a 1, and x equals 76. I will let you do the next one, but remember the word than means to reverse the order of the words. In this problem, more than means to add. Product means to multiply. Is still means equals. So the equation is written 2x plus 7 equals 21. Notice that the plus 7 goes behind the 2x rather than in front because of the word than. We subtract 7 from both sides to make a 0, which gives us 2x equals 14. We divide on both sides to make a 1, and x will equal 7. Let's apply this wisdom to solving story problems. The first thing I do in a story problem is label the x. More often than not, it is found in the last sentence, as in this story problem. Please note the words per, each, or every means multiplying or dividing with the variable. Let's set up the equation by putting the biggest number on one side of the equation. I will put it on the right mostly. That is because most of the time we're building a total, and the total will be the largest number from an absolute standpoint, and we can put it on the right side. Then fill in the rest of the numbers, and it'll take form as an equation. So using that formatting, read the last sentence, which says, how much does each book cost? We can now label the variable, C equals the cost of each book. Now look for the largest number in the story, which is $55.99, and put it on the right side of the equation. Something is going to total up to the big number, which is $55.99. We can see that we have books and magazines, so we'll be adding two things together to make a total. Looking for the other number in the story, we see the $199, which goes right here. And we note that we're buying 3 books that each cost the same amount. That means 3 times 1 book. And since x is 1 book, this reads 3x plus $199 equals $55.99, and here's our equation. Now we solve it. We subtract $199 from both sides to make a 0. 3x equals 54. Divide by 3 on both sides to make a 1. And x equals $18. Why don't you try to solve this one? Looking at the last sentence, we see how many tickets did the family buy, so we can let t equal the number of tickets. Looking for the largest number in the story is 52. That goes on the right side of the equation. Reading the story, we see that we are adding up a service fee and ticket cost, so we can put a plus sign right here. Looking for the other number in this story, we see $3.50, and that will go right here. And lastly, the tickets cost $7 each. That means 7 times one ticket. And that will go right here. 7 times a ticket plus $3.50 must equal $52. Now we can solve. We subtract 350 on both sides to make a 0. 7t equals 49. We divide by 7 on both sides to make a 1. And t equals 7. So it looks like the Kerr family bought 7 tickets.